Okay, this is going to be a compressed video on technical analysis. Okay, so here's your home page. You want to come to the market to transact. Okay, now these are my favorites. You can go to fiat to check for any trading pair. Okay, so but let me use TRB against the USDT for this example. Okay, so now you select this to check how the market is doing. Okay, this comes up, but yours can come up like this. Okay, it's showing you the movement of price. The graph up here is price, this direction is time. As time moves, it goes like this. Okay, so now you have options here. You can come here for more, and you can select different hours you want to see. Okay, now let me use 15 minutes. Okay, for this 15 minutes, what it means is every one of this candle is a 15-minute period. The green is for increase in price, the red is for decrease in price. Okay, so that's how this works. So but this is according to my own setting. If you come here, you can check market depth. Okay, this is market depth. These are the bidders, these are the people that are asking to sell. Okay, so you come back to 15 minutes. Now you come here, you have settings. This is like a setting here. You can increase your charts, you can reduce, you can see that. Okay, let me take out this one. Okay, so now down here is what we call market indicators. That's all you have down here. MA, EMA, Bollinger, Vol, MACD, RSI, relative strength index, and KDJ. Okay, so but now let's come here to settings. So you can set yours exactly the way mine is. If you come to setting here, bring you here. Yes, interval. You can determine those icons you see. How many you see? Mine is currently displayed line 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. So you can select whatever you want, 4 hours, 6 hours, whatever. When you finish, you come here, you click on save, and that's it. So but this is what I want you to actually change, the index setting. Okay, if you come to your Bollinger, because I'm just going to treat a few of them, you have the red, the orange, the green. Try to set yours like this for up, middle band, and down. Okay, when you finish, you click on confirm. You come down to your MACD, set your own MACD like this, red, orange, and green. When you finish, you click confirm. Okay, RSI is just a single color, which is orange, so you click confirm. And here we have the KDJ. Okay, orange, pink, and purple. So you set yours like that and click confirm, just for the purpose of this training. All right, so now let's go back to the graph, and I'll quickly explain how you read the chart. Okay, so now this is the graph. If you click on Bollinger, you're going to see something. Okay, this Bollinger band is going to show you 3 different lines. The topmost line is called the resistance, the green is called the support. Okay, support is like where the price is not supposed to fall below. The resistance is where the price is not supposed to go above. They are trying to resist that upward movement of price. Okay, what affects the movement of prices, as you can see from here, is actually demand and supply. How much of that currency is being demanded, as well as information. If there's bad news about cryptocurrency or something going on in the world, is going to affect price. The same thing with your naira and dollar. If the president of Nigeria now makes an economic policy that is going to affect things, investors will try to move their money out of Nigeria, so that will affect the naira price. The naira price will likely crash. Okay, so but for the Bollinger band, you have the median, which is this middle one. The value of each of these bands is up here. You see upper value, middle value, lower value. So the resistance is the people that push the price down to the support. Rather, this is the support, the green, are those that are trying to buy below the offer price. Okay, see the offer price 26.36, and you see people are putting offer for 26.27. They are not willing to pay what the current price is. Now people that push the price upwards are people that are not willing to sell below or at this actual price. So see somebody here is trying to sell for 26.45, even though the official price is 26.43. So the bullish people are trying to sell higher. So the bullish people are the people that make prices go up, while the bearish are the people that bring the price down. Okay, so that's for that. So now for the Bollinger band, what you have to understand is when the graph goes below the band, if you watch, if it goes below the band, it's going to try to force itself back into the band. So if you see it has gone down here, it went back into the band. If you watch up here, it went outside the band and it came back inside. But the Bollinger Band is continuously changing as well. It's not like it's a fixed band. If you see here, it's like it's pointing downwards here. Some other places you might see it's trying to point upwards. You understand? So you check the Bollinger Band to know when to buy and when to sell. So if you are supposed to try to buy when it comes down outside the support, when it drops below the support, that is a good time for you to buy. Okay, another thing you can check before you make that decision, you can check other currencies if they all went below the band. If it's a general drop in the market, you can still actually hold on and see if it's going to drop further before you buy. So now here is up here is where you try to sell as a daily seller. Once it goes up here, you try to sell. Then if it comes down again, now you see it has changed its support from this green to here. So it's now using this middle as its support. So now if it comes down here, you can rebuy. When it goes up here, you resell. When it comes down here, you rebuy. If you watch the price at this time, okay, this is 26.67. The selling point was 27.8. So you see the profit per each of these coin. Now you're going to be making about $1 something. So the coin value is $26.27. So if you go like that, you just keep making money like that. You buy low, you sell high, you buy low, you sell high, you buy low, you sell high, you sell high. So that's it about Bollinger Band. Here you have what they call the MACD. So for the MACD, according to my own setting, okay, the one up is my bearish, the pink one is the bullish. Okay, when the pink one is on top of the yellow one, you are going to have an increase in price. You can see it from this place when it came up. There's an increase in price here. If the yellow one is on top and pointing down, there will be a decrease in price. You see it? When it came on top, there started being a decrease in price all the way from here. So you want to buy when it's actually down, okay, and when it's changing, when it's going up, you'll be patient when this one gets to really high before you sell. Okay, now you have the RSI, which is this. Okay, for the RSI, to use RSI to know when to buy, you want to buy when your RSI is touching the main button. There's a line there, you see it. You try to be patient and buy when it touches the bottom. So you see, for trading, you have to be observant. Now if you buy from here at this bottom, that means you are like buying the bottom price. You see another bottom here. If somebody had bought at this bottom, even if you don't sell here, you just be patient. Now it's come up, so you want to sell at the top. So you buy at the bottom and sell at the top. So that is how trading goes. So for the KDJ, see, for the KDJ, my own bullish in the KDJ, which is this line here, is the purple line. Whenever the purple line spikes upwards, just know that there will be an increase in price. You see, it has crossed upwards. There's an increase in price. I'll show you another example. See it here. It's crossed upwards. There was an increase. There was a corresponding increase in price in this time frame. So when it points upwards sharply, it's good for you to wait. If this guy gets to the maximum, your RSI, then you can sell. You wait for it when it points downwards and this guy gets to the bottom, then you can use that to buy. So this is just a short video on technical analysis. Here you see total TRB that's sold for today. The total value of dollars that was traded, $8 million. Here you can add favorites. If you want to check, you want it to be your favorite in your trade, you just click on this. Okay, then here you have alert. You want to set alert 26.3. You want to know when it gets to 27. So you click on alert, you come here, click, and you simply put 27 and you create alert. Okay, so for Binance, every time you create alert, once it gets to that price and it gives you an alert like a text message, that alert clears. So you have to reset it again. But there are some other apps wherein you don't need to reset. You can put repeated alarm and it will keep repeating and informing you. So that's that for technical analysis. You want to try to buy at the bottom and sell at the top. Okay, that's how you stay in profit. So you don't want to buy when the currency is already up. See, like this, you don't want to be buying here. So some people, when they deposited their Naira, they were asking me, what should I buy? What should I buy? I said, hang on, they don't buy like that. It's not like, oh, I put in 500,000, I must start trading or something. You can wait when the USDT is below, or when whatever currency you are buying, Ethereum, whatever is below, that's when you go into the market. So that's for technical analysis. So I'll make another video to explain how to stay winning even if price is dropping.